This is it right here. This is it right here. I'm gonna stop everyone right now because you saw the picture, right? You saw the thumbnail. You saw what the car looks like. I'm gonna stop you right now from leaving the comments of saying it's AI generated. It is not AI generated. This is the real deal. You've heard of resto mods. This is a 1951 Cadillac that has been reborn. Are you ready for this one, man? All right, I want to mic you up for this one. Hold on 1 second. This is gonna be an awesome episode of Cars, Shops, and Collections. Wait till you see what's under the cover. We all ready for this?
You ready?
Danny, you ready?
Oh yeah.
All right, I'm on it. Let's go. Here we go.
Sounds good.
Here we go. 1951 Cadillac. This thing is, it's calming and menacing at the same time. The paint, oh my gosh. Oh, you do this?
No, I didn't do it.
Oh boy,
I'm gonna add to it a little more pattern. But it's been chopped. It's pretty nice.
And the name of the car?
PsychoBilly.
PsychoBilly, from the Johnny Cash song, right?
Yeah.
One piece at a time. Oh, dude. Okay, where do we even start with this? First off, everyone, welcome to Cars, Shops, and Collections. Danny Tinker, my man. It's good to see you, buddy. He is the king of Cadillacs. You have such an incredible collection. If you want to go back, like maybe last summer we were here.
Yeah.
We did a full tour of Danny's property and showed off all his caddies and everything else. And one of the first episodes too, when you had your shop here in town.
Yeah, my
Devious
shop.
Designs.
Yep.
You still have the shirt here.
Yeah.
And I still see your work all over town.
Yeah, I
man.
still do work. I just do it out of the house now. It's kind
People
of
are
nice.
like, who did it? Like, Danny did it. Okay.
Yeah.
Where did you get this Cadillac?
Out of California, Rancho Cucamonga.
Okay.
Guy had it for 16 years and built it and dumped a lot of money into it. Time and money. It took him probably 11 years or something to build. It took him quite a while.
If you Google this car,
Yeah.
you'll find a really cool write-up by Hot Rod Magazine.
Yeah.
When the guy first kind of completed it. And it's really interesting, the history of this car.
Yeah.
The front end here, it looks like it's about to eat you alive.
Yeah, it's not just a Cadillac front end. It's got a little DeSoto and a little different parts in it. Custom made, so it's pretty badass.
It's like you see this coming at you. It's like teeth. It's like ready to devour you.
Yeah, he's just getting older. He had it for years, and just, time for he to let someone else enjoy it. And I'm a caddy guy, so.
Yes, you are, man.
Yeah,
We out front, the red one. We know
I like custom caddies. I don't like them plain. They gotta be custom and dropped.
Low, yeah. This one is dropped.
Yeah,
right?
this one's
How
on the
much
ground.
is it dropped? It's down
It lays on the ground. Yeah, it lays out.
The roof, it melts into the car, and the car itself melts down into the garage floor.
Yeah, it's low and long.
Yeah, it is.
Yep, sleek.
Wait, where are the door handles?
Yep, no door handles. It's got electric windows. You just push the little doorknobs up.
Wait, how do you open the car?
I got the button, you're putting, or you just lift it up.
Oh. Whoa. Now the dash of the car, is that original?
Most of it's original, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's not like it's just like it's not it's like tailored.
Yeah, it's got more body mods and more still original look inside in a way.
The top has been chopped.
I don't know, about 4 inches maybe.
About 4 inches?
Yeah, something like that.
When you chop a top and you lower it, are you keeping do you keep the original glass?
No,
you have to get custom glass.
Custom glass. Yeah.
You don't just shave the glass.
He told me I had to go somewhere all the way out of Arizona, have somebody make that glass for him.
Oh yeah, for the glass here?
Yep.
How much, the Cadillac guy, how much of this is like the original Cadillac?
It's not a lot. The whole body's molded, the quarters, the tail lights, the French tin headlights. There's not much the same.
The fender,
all this is different. So it's been widened and.
Oh, it has been widened?
Yeah, yep.
Lowered even more?
Yep.
These fender skirts here?
No, those are made. The skirts are made, yep, to make for the body. The bumpers all fit into the body.
I like them when they do have the, overall, I'm not a big fan of these fender skirts, but I think when it's lowered.
Yeah, when it drops them down.
It keeps it lower. I mean, it keeps it symmetric, I guess you could say.
Yeah, definitely.
What do we got in the back here?
The air ride setup.
Whoa.
Stereo. And then let me get.
Tail lights, back end. Is this a Cadillac tail end?
No, that's not a Cadillac.
It's not.
I want to say it's can't remember if it's a DeSoto or something else.
Can we pull, is it start?
Yeah.
Can we pull that in the sun?
Yeah.
Let's pull that in the sun and then you can show us under the hood.
All right.
How's it going? How are you, man? JC.
Talis.
Nice to meet you, buddy. This is a beast, man.
Yeah, I work for him.
Yeah, it's a monster, man. Yeah. Ah! Whoa. That's perfect right there. Look at the paint work up top here.
Whoop.
It is. I see it. I said it when I first saw it. It's like, it's calming, but also like menacing at the same time. It looks like really, really cool and be cruising in this car. But then if you see this coming at you, you're like, holy cow.
Yeah.
It's like something a Batman villain would be driving. It really is nuts, man.
Definitely. So this is driving height right now.
It's driving it. Okay.
Yeah, so
see how
it's all automatically turn on, boom.
Oh, it does?
Yeah, by itself.
You weren't hitting those switches?
Nope.
It's designed that way?
Yep.
Whew. Okay, open the hood. What does everyone watching think of this? PsychoBilly, right?
Yep, right
PsychoBilly. Oh, there it is right there, PsychoBilly, 1951 Cadillac. 51 Cadillac is what? Like what series was it? 60 something series or?
It's just I got 51, I got a 255s, 56. So I don't think there's a series.
This is a coin here?
Yeah.
Or $50.
Yep, $50.
Would you know anything about what they did to the engine?
You know, I just know it's triple carb, fuel injected, AC. You know, just a nice, good, clean driving car.
Yeah, it's a good drive, right?
Yeah, that's made to drive.
Can I look inside again now that we're out in the sun?
Yeah.
Oh, how do I open it again?
I'll go, just push that handle down right inside right there.
Yeah.
Push it down.
Okay. Can I sit inside?
Yeah, of course.
All right. Oh, yeah. That's got to be original, man, right?
Yeah.
That's the original dash.
Yep. I'm still going to do a few more things to it.
The clock over there.
Yeah, I'm putting a retro deck right here in it.
Are you?
That's on order, yeah. So it keeps it more looking original.
Original steering wheel.
Yep.
Big old steering wheel. This thing is huge. Cool Cadillac logo right there.
The interior, I love the interior. If you notice that green interior, it kind of changes color. Watch this interior. It changes color to match. It's like gold and green.
Oh, yeah, right.
I've never seen it before like that.
Do you think these are the original seats?
No, he paid a lot of money for this interior.
Okay. Yeah, but this, man.
Yeah. So I'm going to do more ghost patterns over it.
Oh, you are?
Yeah. I'm going to re-clear it, put a little more ghost pattern so it really catches your eye.
But this grabs you.
You know, I might put a little more copper trim to it.
But as far as the 1951 Cadillac, did it have?
None of that. None of that. Yeah. It's all smooth. Yeah.
No.
It's been widened and all the bumpers set in.
That I told you about the article, Hot Rod Magazine. It was like 12 years ago.
Yeah.
It did a huge write-up. They said the front end was from a 51 Ford truck, an F1. I don't know what it was called, but it was from a 51 Ford pickup truck.
Yeah.
Part of it was, that's how you get that teeth look.
So they put a lot of time. You put a lot of time and money into it, definitely.
Yeah.
I mean, a car built like this now would cost you at least 150 to 200 to build something like this.
When you're done your
With all the
tweaks,
mods.
what will you do? You take it to SEMA with something? Do you think?
This?
Yeah.
You know, I don't know. I just got this one because I'm a Cadillac guy and it's custom. So it hit me right there. This got to be my car. I talked to him for over a year to buy it. And then,
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And finally, he came down a little bit on price where it looked good, and I'm like, it's mine.
Where you sent me a video of one that you bought that's like a one-of-one Caddy.
Oh yeah, I sold it already.
You did?
Yeah.
So much for me filming it.
Bought it for 80, sold it for 150.
Did you?
Yeah.
What was it?
It was a Barrett's.
Okay.
Same. This is a rare car here too. This is
The blue one over here?
Yeah, that's only made 975 of these.
This right here?
Yep. This is called a Seville. I got all the parts, everything. I'm gonna restore it, but I'm gonna customize this.
One of 975.
Yep. One of 975.
What will you do to this?
Oh, I got LS motors, air ride, paint. I'm doing everything.
Really?
Yeah, all the trim's gonna be black, matte black, and candy brandy wine. This one's gonna be a badass.
This is something we're showing right now, and then we'll come back and show the finished product of this one.
Yeah.
This was your daughter's, right?
Yeah, I bought that for my daughter.
The Suzuki Samurai?
Yeah. Yeah, look inside real quick. You'll like this.
Last time we saw this,
This is
we
a
had to
total-
push it out of your garage last time.
Yeah, yeah, this is a totally 80s. Look back here. I just had the system all redone.
Holy.
415s. A wall.
Will you enter this into competitions and stuff? Like,
Oh, I don't know. I just get. She loves to drive it, so I'm going to paint it teal.
I mean, that's the speakers will
green.
blow you out of the seat.
Yeah. So
We've had kind of an 80s theme going. We had a
Yeah.
Chrysler Conquest last week.
yeah.
Now we've got the
And then you
Samurai.
don't see these no more. Lower
don't?
80s. Yeah. So
You don't?
I got 3 of them. I got a right-hand drive in the drive. I got a right-hand drive inside the front garage for
You
me.
did?
Yeah.
The
from
Samurai?
Ja- from Japan.
Can I see that one?
Yeah.
Dude,
yeah,
I love these wheels are really cool.
Let me open the front garage. Walk her over there.
Okay, all right. And over here?
Yeah, this one.
But wait, you're old?
Oh yeah, no, that's just I'm gonna flip it.
Yeah?
Yeah, they're popular G bodies.
Yeah, is it for sale right now?
Yeah.
This could be yours. Kind of that base model Cutlass Supreme we had that Hearst Olds a couple episodes ago too. Back to the Cadillac, which we featured before, but it's cool to see it out in the sun. It's a beautiful Tacoma parked out there too, don't you think, G? It's gorgeous. It's a really nice white rental Kia. This was in the garage last time. To have it
Yeah.
out in the sun.
Just pops, huh?
Yeah, it does.
This one cruises so nice. LS motored.
I love the seats.
Yeah, it's just comfortable.
How much work did you do on this one?
I basically did the whole car over.
You did?
Yep.
Yeah, this one got a big reaction. Because that's the episode we opened up the garage door and this is just sitting right
Sitting in
there.
there,
Yeah.
yeah.
Love the wheels on this too.
Yep. Yeah, I got some new wheels with red spokes coming in.
You do?
Yep. So they're Dayton's on it now.
There's like so many cars in this
Oh, yeah,
movie
this
that I
is
want
my-
to
yeah,
film.
this is all my
Yeah, I'm
buddies,
driving in. I'm like, I want to film that. I want to film that. I want to
So
film
this
that.
one,
Uh-huh.
I got out of Seattle. It's a right-hand drive from Japan.
Uh-huh.
I got new Dayton deep dish wheels. I'm putting a glass roof on it. that I'm
And
cutting
this is a Suzuki Samurai?
Yeah.
But it was called
It's Jimmy. This is a Jimmy, a right-hand drive Jimmy. You don't see too many of them.
That's what's called in
Imported from
Japan. When
Yep.
they imported it, they
Japan,
called
yeah.
it the Samurai?
Yep.
Wow.
So I figured I'd do one and drive one with my daughter, have fun. Yep. So I got wheels for it already. I'm cutting a
Can you
roof out
check
of
this
a.
out, the right-hand drive?
Yep.
You're going to put so glass top?
Yeah, I got a Mini Cooper. I'm cutting the whole roof out of the Mini Cooper
And put it on here?
Yeah, it's all
And
glass.
you're doing that here?
Yep. Yeah, I got the car in the back.
I'll probably take this out because I'm trying to think. Who is the guy? Chris Fixit? Do you know who he is? Wears a helmet?
Oh, yeah.
Is that his name?
Yeah, I think so.
Chris Fixit?
Yeah, you saw him at SEMA?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He had one of these,
Okay.
but I had to get his name wrong. Is it Chris Fixit?
I think so.
Have you heard of that guy? He wears a helmet? It's whole gimmick. Like, you never see his face. He literally wears a motorcycle helmet.
Really?
Fixing cars and stuff, yeah.
Why are you fixing cars?
He's, yeah, but he's like, his whole thing is to educate people, like how to
Okay.
change your oil, do your brakes.
Okay.
And I met him at SEMA. He has a massive following, and he had one of these at SEMA. And he went to Japan and bought it and shipped it over. But I don't want to say his name wrong.
Yeah. So I'll paint this, put some new wheels on it.
Yeah.
You know, do all my thing.
That's cool.
So just a little fun toy. That's all it is. You know, a little weekend fun toy on a Sunday.
Yeah.
A mini bra.
He's gonna say, yeah, the
Mini
mini
bra,
bro, yeah.
Because it looked like my eyes are mean.
Oh, it does. It does. Yeah.
I'm not so mean.
Did you put bras in your car ever?
Nah, because it
they're-
scratches it.
Yeah, and what did they just
Actually, when you
here
put
in
it on the
Vegas too? It's like
You get dirt under there
yeah,
that moves and
uh-huh.
it just ruins your car.
That was the thing in the 80s, though, right?
Yeah.
The bras?
Yeah.
The mini bra. I love it. Your bikes too? That's you
that-
custom work on bikes?
I used to build bikes. And
Yeah.
This one we built years and years ago. I mean, it just sits here now. We don't drive them. All custom painted. And
I love it.
yeah, that was the style about 10 years ago. Or
Yeah,
more. Yeah.
That was the look. All right, man. Dude, thank you so much.
You're
man.
welcome.
I always appreciate
Yes.
doing stuff with you and showing your cars. And
Yeah.
anytime I get a message from Danny.
I got
you,
one.
you do Facebook Messenger, though. You never do like regular text messages.
No, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. So.
It's just because I'm like, what?
Yeah. I'm like, hey, what up?
Yeah. Just a little side note.
Yeah.
But anytime I get a message, whether Facebook Messenger, Instagram message, or text message from you,
got
I
you.
want to come down and film something. And you're always like traveling stuff. It's hard to track you down. So thank you so much for shooting this episode
you.
of Car Shops and Collections. And thank you for watching.
All right.
It was good stuff, man. If you want your car, shop, or collection featured on the show, then shoot us an email at carshopsandcollections@gmail.com. That's carshopsandcollections@gmail.com. And thanks for watching, and be sure and subscribe so you don't miss any future episodes of Cars, Shops, and Collections.